Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let me show you how to make vegetable crepes. Please keep watching. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So in my bowl I'll be adding in my green bell pepper chopped, red bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, onion, all finely chopped. I'll be adding my half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili flakes half teaspoon, and 1 cup of milk. This will definitely take the taste to another level, so we'll give this a quick stir. We'll mix to combine, and I'll be adding in my 2 eggs and we'll mix this to combine together. Look at how colorful this is. And I'll be adding in my 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and my 1 cup of flour. This flour is sifted already, so you mix to combine everything together. This really tastes great and I know you're gonna enjoy this recipe. Okay, so we'll be frying this now. So I'll be dropping some vegetable oil into my non-stick pan. I'll be using non-stick pan for this, and I'll be scooping in my mixture. It's time to flip over to the other side. Definitely you will enjoy this. Okay, so we are going to be setting this aside when it is well cooked, and I'm going to be doing another batch. So please, if you have watched till now, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments at the comment section what you feel about this video. Truly, adding vegetable to this will definitely give you a great taste. Okay, so it is time. This is the moment of truth, and look at how colorful this is. Look at how colorful this is. The vegetable took the taste to another level. So if you don't want the one with vegetable, you can skip the vegetable. And here is my final look. See you in my next one. Bye.